So in previous video I have showed you that how to grab camera sources in still 1 memory and still 2 memory, but how to use it in PGM or preview, because there is no button of still 1 and still 2. So you can make any of the button for work as a still 1 or still 2. Suppose there are 12 button, 8 for cameras, and there are 4 button more. Suppose we are making button number 11 for still 1 and button number 12 is for still 2. How can we make it? For that we have to go setup menu, then go to the panel menu, then go to the bus menu, then level 101 means button 1, input 1, like this. Button level 108 means button 8, number button 8 is signal is input 1, input 8. Now we are use button 11. Which signal will we use? Clip 1. From here we can change. You can see there are so many of options. Clip 1 should be there. Yes, sorry, clip 1, still 1. Still 1 will work as a button 12, button 11, and button 12 will work as a clip 2, sorry, still 2. Now you can see, if I press 11, still 1 is going there. If I press 12, still 2 is go there, but they are not playing. So we have to keep it in playback mode. So how can it make it playback mode? So for that I have to go file, still, and then playback should be on. Here still 1 and loop play on normally, then play. Again go to the still 2, loop play on, normal, play on. So still 1, still 2, now both are playing playback mode.